I have to admit, for the first time in my life, I am operating on a scale of non-negotiables. The things that don't make me who I am, set out to be my best, the things that make me unhappy, etc., y'all, they are non-negotiable. So I just decided to bring you guys along so that you can experience what I experienced in the day. I went over and I decided to stop into North Star Mall to grab me something to eat. Everything looked delicious. Of course, this cheese don't look melted, but y'all know how they do. They'll pop it in the microwave and get it all together, okay? Listen, I was undecided, y'all. Like, what do I really want? And it be like that sometimes. Sometimes you know what you want. Sometimes you don't know what you want. That's not just talking about food. That's talking about in life, relationships, marriages, the type of heels you want to wear on Saturday, etc., girl. Decisions. And you have to make the decision, y'all. But I ended up at Charlie's Philly cheese steak. And guess what? I got the basics. 6-piece wing with the Cajun fries, y'all. The line was around the corner. If you know me, I'm going to keep it saucy because that's what I do. So I just went on ahead and fixed me a couple sauces, y'all. I have to say that it was not as good as I thought it would be. First of all, these wings are really, really small, y'all. That's what the Cajun fries look like. So looks are deceiving. One thing I will say is I've been picking up the camera more, and I'm going to, drop my videos, whether they're the best or they're relatable or people can understand them. Guess what? This is me. This is who I am. And if you enjoy watching, don't forget to like, comment, and let me know you here for it. And just follow my journey, y'all. Like, life don't come with a book on how you should navigate. I'm just saying. I came in to get some Jamba Juice, y'all. We see what they got over here. Well, I definitely see they increased their prices. But with all of this inflation, honey, we got to do what we got to do as business owners. These are the sizes right here, y'all.
8-11
over there, y'all. Thank you so much. You too. All right, that's our drink of the day, y'all. Let's go see what type of deals Victoria's Secret. I'm diligently trying to track my calories, but I'm in trouble. I haven't even made it to dinner yet. I decided to stop into the boutique just to see the new setup. My team member, y'all, and I only have one person that work under me. Y'all, she's so amazing. She does such an amazing job. She keeps it all together. She has so many products. We have a lot of products out of stock. And we definitely won't be restocking them because we're trying to go into the new season, y'all. But I'm just grateful. I have so much planned and in store for Lanice Finesse Boutique. Y'all just got to stay in tune with what's going on with your girl. I know you probably don't follow me on Facebook and Instagram and TikTok, but you might want to do it because that's where I share a majority of my short reels. And then I bring them up here if I can remember, which I'm just trying to, create new content and make sure I post them according to the schedule that's allowed. This is our clearance section, y'all. We trying to get rid of all of these items, and I know they're going to go before. Well, I don't want to give y'all all of the good information or the new updates, but just hang in there, y'all. I got something in store for us. Yes, I went to the car wash, y'all. This is like a mental break for me. I could just sit in there, record, think, talk to myself, and ask God for directions and strength on the path that I need to be taking. But most of all, my car will be clean and is running. This is maybe my second time after my sciatica scare. Yes, sciatica, y'all. At 44 years old. Girl, cut it out. But you know what? It happened to me. I had overworked myself, sitting and driving Uber for 12 hours a day. You know, because these bills ain't going to pay themselves, y'all. So you have to find a way. If you're going to be an entrepreneur and you're going to get into it, baby, you got to figure out a way that you can cover your bills, make sure your teammates get paid, and you can feed yourself, etc., y'all. So I went on into the gym today and I said, well, this is where we're going to start at. We're going to work on all areas because I'm just amazed at how I'm able to get up, stand up, and then just work amongst everything that I thought that would be working against me, which was my legs. I couldn't move my leg, y'all. And if you watch my last video, I was laying in the hospital. I didn't know what to think and how to feel. All I knew, I was in pain. And God have saved me from that, so I'm grateful. But he also let me know that my health come before everything, including the boutique and being an entrepreneur. And I was putting my health last, y'all. So I enjoyed my workout. It was fun. It was challenging. And I'm going to try to increase every day I go because I know that's what's going to build the strength in every activity or workout machine that I actually decide to challenge myself with. I had to go get me an oil change today, so I always do my oil change at Midas. Look at my baby. She getting that workup, baby. You got to get a workup. We care about the car. We going to keep her fixed. We got to keep ourselves fixed and put together, y'all. And so, yes, she is ready, but guess what? I found out that she is having an issue. So we got to get that issue fixed.
Nice blue buildup right there. And then also on that same hose right here where it goes into the upper radiator hose.
Oh, that's what the blue mean?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, that's what you did you mark that?
No, this is, I didn't put this on here. This is coolant buildup.
Oh,
Yeah.
I got you. Oh, I see.
Yes, ma'am.
I
Just
see.
that chunky stuff on there.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Get you.
This is what we serve to our customers who came in for Galentine's night, which is something we share every year from 6 to 9 p.m. We treat the ladies. This is like the smallest we've ever done. We normally have sandwiches, dips, etc. Well, I didn't expect that, y'all. On a 2024, I got a radiator leak. So I guess I'm going to have to take it to the Nissan dealer. And I'm glad I'm still inside my warranty. Because nobody got no time for that. Somebody please tell me they playing with me. Now, this is the bill, y'all, that I received from the ER. These are all the tests that they ran. They just give me numbers, no names of the tests. And then this is my final patient responsibility. I can't understand this, y'all. I was in there for 2 hours, maybe 2.5 hours. And this what you charge me? Y'all, this is why we need the consumer protection. Let me know if you experience something like this in the ER. Because this is outrageous. It ain't no way. It ain't no way. Okay. Well, I hope y'all enjoyed this mini vlog. I love y'all. Y'all continue to be blessed, okay? Okay now? And I do appreciate each and every one of y'all for coming on over here, checking in, chiming in. Then your girl know that, you know, we with you. We with you, girl. We with you. Just give us more content. We with you. Y'all, I'm trying. I'm picking the camera up more, and I'm trying to do my long form videos again. So y'all just bear with me. The content is going to get better and better as I go. And y'all, I started recording late, but this is what I got going on today. Ooh, I ain't gonna tell nobody. Your girl know how to cook. Hey, Sunday dinner. Oh yeah, for the potatoes, for sure. For sure. For sure. And if you season, it's season. Yes, y'all. I got 12 Angus burgers. And then I also got some additional chicken here. I'm going to mix everything up. Make sure all of the seasoning is coated on the side. All right, y'all. I'm back at the Nissan deal. It's time to pick up baby. She over there saying, "Mama, come get me." Turn the rental in. They did give me a rental without fees. It was a Murano 2021, leather out, y'all. Body in good condition, full of a tank of gas, 412 miles. Yes. And they gave me a car. They had an expired sticker, but you know, it is what it is. She ready. They didn't give her no car wash, but she ready. She said, "Mama, let's go." Y'all, I miss my baby. Talk about what's been going on with me, you know, in due time, okay? Because I done shared some things that y'all ain't used to seeing, and that's okay because I'm a human being and I'm a transparent person, okay? And I'll explain it to y'all. We're going to touch on certain bases, and then some things just ain't going to be talked about. But until next time, I love y'all. Be blessed.